Welcome to Termite Talk, talking with termite man Steve Olver about this week's termite biology. Now, how does termite nest work, Steve?
Yeah, good question. Something I get asked all the time actually, Kayla. So the nest actually is all centered around the queen. She is the main person in the whole nest, and it's like a big conveyor belt. So we often get asked about the home, and we've got termites in there. What the idea is for us is to get elimination when we're dealing with them, but the termites are like a big conveyor belt. They're eating here. The termites you see today, or even an hour ago, are not the termites that are there the next hour. So the queen will actually give birth to 30,000 babies a day, and they are called nymphs, which are babies, and then they'll become a soldier or a worker within the nest, and we can only tell what type of termite gene it is through the soldier, because they all look very different. The workers look the same. So what the workers do, they're the ones that destroy your house. They eat and they store the actual timber in their gut and go back and vomit that out, because the rest of the colony aren't strong enough to eat the wood. So that's how we get baiting and that sort of thing back to the nest. The soldiers are there to protect the nest. So when you come along and you find them, you'll have the soldiers coming out, and they're the ones that are going to actually go there to protect the nest, and the workers will generally draw back. So that's how they work ultimately. And then in the summer period, you'll get flights. They're called alates, and they're actually reproductive kings and queens, and their idea is to mate and create a new nest, and that's how then the termite colonies continue to thrive in our district.
We love the termites. What? No, we don't. That's what you're here for.
Exactly.
Now, why is each member so important for it too?
Yeah, it's about how we break down the colony when we're treating them. So if we can break down the workers first and foremost, especially through baiting, they're the ones that are doing the damage. So then that actually stops destroying the home. And then we see that and they die off first, and then they'll die, the queen will die obviously, and then the colony just breaks and we're left with the soldiers to deal with, which will naturally die because the nest is dead.
Stay tuned for the next Termite Talk with termite solver Steve Olver.